Hello everyone, and happy holidays to those who celebrate. The end of the year is upon us, and with that, our final monthly release video. We've got something special wrapped up just for you. We're recapping the year's 10 most impactful Splash releases. In the last 12 months, we've promoted over 75 new features. So as you can imagine, whittling this list down to 10 was no easy feat. Keep watching to find out which one claimed the top spot, and from our team to yours, thank you for creating events in a year when the world needed them most.
Hey everyone, I'm Arjun Sate, Enterprise Sales Manager here at Splash, kicking things off with number 10. Did you know that your Splash hubs now come with a copy and paste embed code? That means you can embed your hubs anywhere, including non-Splash pages like your company's website or events tab, and all of your Splash event pages so you can get more eyeballs on your full event program. The best part? Your embedded hub is a dynamic element. That means by managing your hub in one place, all changes will be reflected everywhere it's embedded, automatically. I'll see y'all later.
Hey there, Sarah Duffy from the Solutions Consulting team with the number 9 release of 2021, new Mappable Fields in Salesforce. This update came in around May, and it made the golden connection between Splash events and Salesforce campaigns even more flexible. By introducing our 3 new mappable fields, that's event start time, event end time, and event time zone, you can pick and choose how you want to map your data so that your campaign objects are built exactly how you want them. The result? Cleaner automation and less maintenance. What could be better than that?
Hi everyone, Tristan Augustus from the product team here. The ability to pull Zoom and BlueJeans webinar URLs directly into your Splash emails. That means if you're using our Zoom or BlueJeans integration, you no longer need to rely on the generic emails sent from Zoom or BlueJeans. Instead, you can send fully branded confirmation and reminder emails directly from Splash. And your guests can join your webinars in just a single click. How neat is that?
Hi everyone, I'm Rachel Schweitzer, a Senior Customer Success Manager at Splash. Our number 7 release from 2021 is improvements to the accessibility and usability of all attendee-facing event pages. This upgrade ensures that anyone using a screen reader can easily navigate an event page and submit an RSVP with no extra friction. We base these improvements on WCAG 2.1 guidelines to ensure that everything is consistent with industry best practices. At Splash, we take accessibility seriously, so please keep this feedback coming in 2022.
Hi there, Ashley Holtzen here from Splash Support. Release number 6 on our list made RSVPing to an event easier than ever. With the social RSVP feature, a guest can register using their Facebook or LinkedIn profiles. By doing so, the form is automatically populated with the information they need to submit their registration. They don't even have to type. Easy peasy. And the information you need as a host is still captured and surfaced in the guest list, so you know who's coming.
Hi everybody, Mia from the Splash support team here. In 2021, our team doubled down on supporting you in every possible way. Some of the highlights from this past year: we released a new status page so you can monitor system-wide performance in real time. We introduced new support plans so you can get personal care and expertise when it matters most. And we released a new support page that unifies all of our help and learning resources in one location. We look forward to working with you in 2022. Come visit us at splashthat.com/support anytime you need some help.
Pete here from marketing. Making it easy for anyone to create on-brand, beautiful events is always going to be our top priority. So this past year, we released over a dozen new branded themes to our public library. And these included some of our most visually innovative and comprehensive designs to date for pretty much every use case you can imagine. Categories range from virtual to hybrid events, to hosting an event in multiple languages, a celebration of Pride Month, specific templates for Dreamforce and reInvent, and even multiple themes perfect for powering best-in-class event calendars. Major shout out to the Splash creative team for making us look so pretty.
Hi everyone, I'm Nikki Vorwerk, a Customer Success Manager here at Splash. We know that managing a team can be a lot of work and take a lot of time, so we've made that easier. One of our biggest releases in 2021 was Team Manager, a central location for program leaders to manage their users, roles, and rules for collaboration. The result? No more rogue events. Now admins can spend more time focusing on helping their teams operate more efficiently. To get started with Team Manager, log into your Splash account and select Team on the left-hand sidebar. We can't wait to see what you and your teams continue to create in 2022.
Hi everyone, Kiana Jones here with Splash Professional Services, rounding up our top 2 with my favorite personal release of 2021, the library. Think of the library as a control center that has all the assets that your team will need to create an event in Splash. With the brand library, you're able to control the look and feel of all your event marketing touchpoints by adding your custom colors, logos, and fonts. With the theme library, you're able to create, manage, and share your custom event templates across your team. And finally, with the form library, you're able to build compliant registration forms that can be added to any event. If you're looking to scale your event program, start using our library today.
Happy holidays, y'all. Camille Whitestern here from the marketing team at Splash. I am honored to present to you Splash's #1 release of 2021. Can I get a drum roll, please? Virtual event page. Yes! This release changed everything for our users, making it super easy to embed their virtual tech in Splash and surround it with beautiful design and audience engagement. This year, we saw thousands of virtual events hosted this way, attended by several million virtual attendees. And your feedback was incredible. And because of that, Virtual Event Page will be the engine that powers Splash's biggest release of 2022. I wonder what that could be. Tune in next month to find out.